You are in the right place if your dog performs well in classes and seminars, but falls apart at trials. You're also in the right place if your dog did well at novice trials, but starts to struggle at the more advanced levels. You're in the right place if you struggle at trials at any level. And you're also in the right place if you have not started competing yet, but you're curious to understand how to get the core skills in place that you need to do well right out of the gate. During our time together, this is what we're going to cover: the common strategies that people use to fix this problem and why they don't work if what you're dealing with is the specific issue I'm going to be sharing with you. We're going to dig into what's actually going on and talk about the number one reasons dogs struggle in trials when they don't struggle in other contexts. I'm then going to give you my 5-step process to master this one skill. And at the end, I'll give you a couple of additional resources in case you want to dig deeper and keep doing this work. You struggle to stay connected to your dog mentally your entire run. And when I say connected, I don't just mean looking at your dog. We can look at our dogs. Think about this. If you're having a conversation with somebody and you can be like face to face, direct eye contact, and their mind wanders, you can tell when they've checked out. You can tell when they're not paying attention. Your dog can too. Think about it this way. I'm going to use a different image here to just help you get a picture in your mind of what's going on with your nervous system when it starts to perceive a threat. And this is also true. Everything I'm sharing about this is true for your dog as well. So this is called the polyvagal ladder. It's an image or a concept that was developed by Deb Dane. And it's a way of just making sense of how our nervous systems go through the different options of getting ourselves back to being safe, which is all that it wants us to do because it wants us to survive.